this is Frida. On this tutorial I would like to show you how to knit this lovely sweater. It's 100% Angora rabbit yarn that I have knit this from, and just want to show you the details. The collar, how it's knit. I have knit this in these pieces, so I start from bottom to up. And it's very hard to see due to the furry yarn, but I'm trying to capture every detail. As you can see, it has a little and the sleeves are very tight. I use small needles to make this tighter. And I have knit it with the ribbed method, one knit, one purl, all the way down. But on this tutorial I'm going to try to figure how to knit it from top to down. And I used pearl buttons. I'll show you how the pearl buttons are in a package. This is already sewed. Okay, so on this tutorial I'll be using a lighter yarn so you can see it better. On this sleeves, if you look at it, it's really hard to capture. I'll put a picture. But if you can see, it has a little, this is a 1980s style sweater. But it's really hard to see due to the halo, the fur. Okay, so let's get started. Very nice. Here we go. So let's get started.